What's going on, fam? The chef coming to you. Guys, today we're going to do some grilled lamb chops. We're going to finish them the way we finish steaks. And I'm going to show y'all my meat marinade. Guys, you take 2 cups of your favorite coffee, okay? Now you can always measure it up. If you do 4 cups of coffee, then just double the recipe. But right now, it's 2 cups of coffee. Everything is based on 2 cups. The marinade I'm about to make will handle 1 rack of lamb. The rack of lamb weighs about 1.5 pounds. So we're good to go. 1.5 pounds, 1 rack. I'm gonna put 2 cups of coffee, your favorite coffee, Folgers, whatever you guys drink, okay? It doesn't matter, just 2 cups of coffee, cool down. We're gonna do some of that Dale's y'all just saw. I'm gonna do a cup of that. For every 2 cups of coffee, 1 cup of Dale's, okay? Depending on how many racks of lamb you guys have. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon in there as well. All right, guys, so we juicing the lemon, we juicing an orange. We're going on that flavor, and if you like, you don't have to throw those rinds away. Stick them rinds right in that pot. I didn't, but you could. And you should. All right, guys, we're going to chop that onion up real fine. Just dice it up, stick it in the pot. We're going to dice up some garlic as well. Throw that garlic in there, guys. Or hit it with the rosemary. And y'all know we're gonna hit it with the thyme. Hot and spicy butt naked or the red top butt naked, either one is just as good. But if you like a little heat to it, put that black top on it. All right, guys. That's it. That's the marinade. She pretty, ain't she? All right, guys, I just want to trim the fat off this lamb real quick. Cap it, just notice what I do. Cut off the fat cap, clean it off. Flip it and clean that side too. Then I'm gonna rinse it off and pat it dry. All right, marinade is ready. Now listen, you guys can leave that, let that marinate for about an hour. It'll be ready. You know, you can leave meat in the refrigerator up to 10 days, season. All right, guys, just FYI. All right, I'm gonna grill them lamb chops. Now, guys, I don't want to fully cook them, okay? All I want to do is get a nice char on them. I get that char on them, get them nice and seasoned up, but I don't want to cook them fully through, okay? Get on there, you juice. Get on there. I'm gonna cook them on very high heat because I just want to get it charred. And I cap them all. I cap the ends off with that aluminum foil because I don't want that high heat to break it, really for presentation. So that's why I always put that foil on the ends. Guys, you can always find my products online at buttnakedsignatureseasonings.com. That's with an S on the end. Appreciate you guys for all your help, all your support. All right, check out that char. See, that's what you want. Look like a face, don't it? All right, that's what we want. High heat, nice sear. And I'm gonna show y'all why in a minute. Got some asparagus going. I put in some Creole dust, my red top. Now, right now, I got butt naked in there. I got water. I got a little liquid smoke. All right, that's what I do shit with. That's what I hit it with. Keep them moist, and I let them dry out with that flame. All right. Now they're almost done. All right, we're gonna finish them off in this pan. All right, guys, to your pan with that rack of lamb chops, we're going to put some olive oil, a little butter. Get that butter melted. I love garlic, y'all. I mean, I use 20 cloves if I had to, but I'm going to put 10 in there for now. All right. Hey, with that thyme and rosemary, of course. All right, bring that to, put it on medium heat, let it medium high heat. You'll hear that thyme start popping. All right. See, now I can take my little foil tips off. My foil tips are really so I don't burn when I'm cooking on the grill. See how it's already cooked and it's not burned? If it's burned, sometimes they're real thin, it'll break off. So just for presentation. see how we're gonna finish them off? We're gonna finish them off just like a steak. They got a nice char on them. They're not all the way cooked. They can go for about 5-10 minutes when they be perfect, and that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, guys. We let that garlic and that butter and that thyme and rosemary infuse. Now we're gonna heat that back up, and we're gonna baste it, guys. Look at that. That's gonna be so good. So it's got char, it's got smoke on it. It's all about laying them flavors. It's got char, it's got smoke on it. Pretty grilled marks, that's more flavor. Then we're gonna finish it off with some garlic and thyme and rosemary. Oh, come on, guys. That's a winner. Go on baste it, guys. Letting it go on about 350, 365, about 5-10 minutes, just until, like I said, they're done. Now it's time to plate. Got some potatoes over there. Put a lot of Parmesan cheese and butter. Let's go and plate it up. We're gonna put it on there. Look good, huh, y'all? Are they good? Le bon temps roulé, baby. All right, and I got one more thing I'm gonna do with it. Now I got everything perfect just the way I want it, but I'm gonna make a little mint marinade real quick. Go with them lamb chops. So I'm gonna chop up a little mint. Just a quick vinaigrette, something real sweet. A little mustard, a little mint, a little balsamic vinegar, some olive oil. A little Yes, I Will Date Your Sister sauce. All right, you can use hot honey or regular honey. Right now I'm using regular honey. Then I'm gonna hit it with that hot and spicy. A little juice of the lemon. Plenty of black pepper. Whisk that bad boy up. Whisk it until it infuses, until it emulsifies, where it doesn't separate. That's what I mean. All right. That's my mint sauce. Go with them lamb chops. What y'all think? Boy, don't that look good? But bite the mess out this. Yeah, you're right. Let's finish her off. What y'all think, guys? Yummy. Everything but naked, baby. So creamy. Oh my God. Woo-hoo. Yummy. Gonna need to get butt naked.